Riley, how do you feel about Splash Math?
I actually really like it.
Hello. Can you tell us a little bit about Splash Math?
Sure. I use Splash Math, I would say 3 to 4 times a week. My students use it on a Chromebook. It could also be used on an iPad. I personally like it because you can pick individualized assignments for each child. So if we're working on fractions, I can assign them different things to deal with fractions, decimals, you name it. If it's in the 3rd grade curriculum, it's on Splash Math. I know it has a K-5 program. My kids thoroughly enjoy it because they somehow earn coins or stars and they love going to spend them within the program. But it is definitely educational and the graphics are very kid-friendly.
It's fun because I learned a lot of stuff on there.
Mrs. Seconder, how does Splash Math compare to like Prodigy?
It's definitely similar to Prodigy where it has nice, colorful, kid-friendly graphics. But the thing about Prodigy that I find is my kids were constantly worrying about who was in what world and they were interrupting each other to figure out how they could battle each other, whereas Splash Math is, they get their assignment, it gives them questions, and they're kind of focused on their own thing, but they do earn stars and they do earn coins, so there is a reward for them, but I definitely find that it's more curriculum-based rather than Prodigy that's more game-based.
Is this something that you have to struggle to kind of fit in?
No, once you put your class list in, just like you would on Prodigy or Modimax or Spelling City, they're on there and then you just go in and you can click individual assignments. You can give them to your whole group or you can break it up within your math groups and they can go on and do it. I use it a lot during Daily 3 and they go on it even during free time.